Welcome to my Leetcode solving section, intersection of two arrays. So given two arrays, write a function to compute their intersection. So number one, number two, the intersection means that so in this case each element must be unique. So the intersection only two, right? So you can only return two. Although there are two, but you can only return two. And for 9, you can just return the for 9, and any order can okay. So since we are doing the intersection, and only unique, so this tells you that you should use set. Okay, so since must be unique, so we can first take the set 1 original numbers to be take set test 6. So we have the set 1 and set 2, and so we have two sets. So we just counted the intersection of the set and change it into list. So we just count the intersection of two sets. Basically, this is like end set 1 and set 2, and return a list. Okay, that's it. Okay, now I will see you guys in the next videos, and be sure to subscribe to my channel. Thanks.